medyo pricey si Santay Barley? Simple lang. You're not just buying a drink. You're investing in your health. Santay Barley is made from certified young organic barley grass from New Zealand, which means hindi basta-basta. Super linis, high quality, at 100% all natural. Kaya, kung may konting dagdag man sa presyo, worth it naman. Kasi, sa sobrang dami ng health benefits na makakuha natin dito. So, paano ito nakakatulong sa katawan natin? Once you take Santay Barley regularly, it starts to cleanse your system, supports your organs, and give your body the right nutrients it doesn't get from everyday food. It's rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, chlorophyll, and fiber. At lahat ng kailangan ng katawan mo para lumakas, gumanda ang metabolism, at lumaban sa sakit. So, bakit kailangan mong itry? Kasi, hindi mo kailangang hintayin pang magkasakit bago mo alagaan ang katawan. Ang Santi Barley ay perfect sa mga pagod sa trabaho, mga moms na walang pahinga, laging puyat at stressed, may mga iniindang health issues, at kahit sa mga gustong maging healthy habang bata pa. Yes, medyo mahal, but compared sa gamot, lab tests, at hospital bills, mas mura pa rin ito in the long run. Health is wealth talaga. And Santay Barley helps you protect that wealth.